Alright, today I am doing a super fun kind of gothy baby doll look. So this is a little underdress because the overdress is completely see-through. I think if I was going to wear this to like a festival, I might wear it with like a halter bathing suit top and maybe some like high-waisted bathing suit bottoms, but for every day, this dress is very see-through, so I definitely need to wear something underneath it. This dress is made by Foxblood, and it smells like Hot Topic in the 90s because that's kind of what their house or their shop smells like. I love that it has all these little ties all over the place. And my nose is runny, excuse me. Also, gotta make sure the bangs are straight after I put my dress on, and gotta make sure I get my good light. Sorry for the books underneath my staircase. My husband is building me a bookshelf right now, and so my house is a little messy. This ring is from Regal Rose. I actually have a discount code, so I'll put that in my description, a good discount code for Regal Rose. And then these other rings are just random. I think the black one might be Ana Luisa, but I can't remember. I'll put it all in the description. The necklace also is Ana Luisa, New York, and I love that it's a layered necklace, but it's all in one piece because I have nails and it's really hard to put latch necklaces on with my nails. I actually had to adjust this a little bit so that it was a little bit looser so that that top chain didn't choke me too much. But yeah, I love the look of layered necklaces, just not how difficult they are to actually layer. And then these earrings are my faves. They are personalized for me. They're by a company called Honeybee Gold. They actually right now are on a hiatus. I'm not sure what's going on, but they said they will be back. But if you can find old Honeybee Gold earrings, if you like gigantor earrings, these are for you. I cannot say that they are very light. They definitely are pretty heavy, but they have the flat backings on them, so they help to keep them stabilized on your ear so they don't pull down on your ear. But it's worth it. It's worth every droopy earlobe for these guys. And they're mirror image too, so they really catch the light really well. Now I'm going to put on some socks. And these are actually, I was filming something else and all I had downstairs were knee-high socks. So I just put on knee-high socks and then I just scrunched them down really well. These boots, I believe, are Steve Madden. I love these boots. They're kind of dusty, but they're super, super comfortable, and especially for how tall the heel is, I love that. They zip up the sides, so you still have to kind of tie the very top, because I like to wrap the laces around the, I almost said waist. I don't wrap my laces around my waist. Wrap the laces around your ankles. I just kind of like the way that that looks in a boot, so I don't know, if you get laces that are a little bit shorter, you could probably just zip and keep them tied, which is nice if you are a lazy boot wearer. I am not trying to unlace my boots every time I get them on and then re-tighten them every time, like how you have to do with Doc Martens. Although if you wear child-sized Doc Martens, they zip up the sides too, which I do. So this is my final look. The dress that's underneath, it shortens a lot, like when you're moving around and walking. So if you don't want that to happen, I would definitely suggest wearing shorts. This dress is pretty short on the sides, as you can see. So yeah, just make sure that if you are a modest type, that you put something underneath it where you won't be able to see your bits and bobs. It's also really loose fitting, so if like a wind kicks up, you definitely want something underneath it that's gonna keep you covered. But I hope you guys like this. Let me know if you want to see more of these style videos, and I will see y'all next time.